Today on my YouTube channel, we will be opening Christmas presents that I got for Christmas. I'm so sorry that we did not have been uploading for like a year. Me and Jackson have not been wanting to upload. But new year, new me. Let's get started. Check out. Alright. Today we're not opening one Nerf gun. We're actually opening 1, 2, 3, 4. So, let's get started. We will be opening N Series Gear Up pack. There is at least 5, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually 4. This is not a part of the Nerf. This is a part of the Nerf guns, but like, it's not a Nerf gun. So, alright. We're going to be opening it. I have scissors. Please be careful when you're cutting these. Some of them are very tight. It's fun to do when you know how to do it. My favorite Nerf gun of all time might be the Cyclone Shot. For a reason. It's a Cyclone. They love our shots. Alright. So. And I am 9 for right now. I'm at 8. I'm almost 9 in February. So. Yeah. Then, a few months ago, I got what I wanted. A lot of Nerf guns. All the pieces out of the box, I cutted them. So, okay, this piece goes right here. I don't need instructions because you might know on the box. When you boom. This piece goes. Wait, sorry guys. This piece goes like this, so I can aim better. This piece is supposed to go that it was sounded so good, but this piece actually goes to this piece. It makes it longer and easy to hold. Alright. Alright. Now we're going to be putting the bullets in. So, some of them don't have that much pieces to go in, but some do. So, right. There you go. Right. I shove it in there. This is very fun for me. Maybe not for you, but that's your opinion. This is mine. So this is like a bigger Cyclone Shot, but like not that big. Then you put this, then you put this back, boom, then you're ready to load it, then that was insanely fast. Alright, let's do this one. Wait, oh, sorry guys. This one might be for younger kids, like my little brother. Let's see it? Huh, that is pretty weird. Let's try it again. Huh, it's more like, there you go. Huh, weird. Wait, sorry guys, I think you're supposed to do it side-eyes that. Huh. Yeah, I don't like this one. This is like a greater version of this one, but like different colors. So you have a tiger practice for your aim. Okay. Oh, that sounded so nice. Okay. Up it goes. Yeah. It didn't go so far. Alright, let's try this one again, but using the target practice. Let's see, I want to aim right there. Wait, aim right there. Oh yeah, I'm so. This is how. Okay, I forgot to reload it. Now I'm gonna shoot it with the target practice. Boom! It didn't even go in. I thought it. Okay, maybe weird. That's pretty weird. Oh, maybe this part is like where you're supposed to put it at when you aim it. Or maybe you just supposed to like, boom. What is it like? That was super. My favorite one of all. This one. Let's try. Okay. Wait. Oh yeah. Then boom. Reload. Boom. That was. And one more time. Boom. Welcome, friends, to our YouTube page. Follow us on every social media. So, I did this one wrong. So, this Nerf dart has to be fully in. Then, then you can shoot it. Always remember to pull this back. Ready? I'm gonna do it up. Oh my God! So, I rate this. For its tiger practice, at least it's 7.5. Cool. This one easily a 9.5. Look at the reload. Look at this. Good thing this head was here, so you can like. If that wasn't there, you have a. So yeah, this one. I have to give this at least a 9 yet, cause this one I didn't know how it was like so bouncy when I shooted it up, and it makes good sound. All right, I lost 2 teeth, and it's almost my birthday, so I'm gonna be opening new stuff each week. All right. And make sure to like and subscribe. See you later.